Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a Chic Sparrow unboxing or unpackaging. If you're new, welcome. I'm Jen. So I in January destashed about 14 Chic Sparrows, and actually someone reached out to me that they wanted to actually sell one of my Chic Sparrows back to me, so which was fine. It was actually a Giovanni, which I had replaced, but now so I have the A5 and a narrow Giovanni, but I sold a Emma, which was a number 8, and I said I was going to replace that. So to my surprise, I accidentally put that I wanted antiquing, or an antique, which is like the, I think, circles or something like that. And I was like, oh no. So this is going to be a bit of a surprise because I've never done and had an antique Chic Sparrow before. So this is going to be new. And also, I just want to share my updated Chic Sparrows really quick. What I'm currently using, or some of my covers, because I know some people are interested. If you're here, then you like leather, so I was just going to show you really quick what I used for February. I have not even changed my Chic Sparrow at all from March, so it still has a red theme. It's not all Chic Sparrow, but most of them are. And also, I wanted to thank you if you used my affiliate code, because I actually racked up quite a bit of points because of that, or I get like a small commission from it. And I wanted to say thank you so much for using my Chic Sparrow affiliate link. I really do enjoy Chic Sparrow. I all the time feel like I want to just stop purchasing Chic Sparrow and enjoy the ones that I have, but I enjoy them so much that I don't mind destashing and getting some new Chic Sparrows, because I do collect them, but I also use them. So I really appreciate it. So next year I'm probably going to do another destash. So I figured that's a way that I can also enjoy without, yes, I have quite a few Chic Sparrow, but not added up to the point where I'm just keeping them and not destashing. So just really quick, I did want to show that I did get the raspberry syrup Chic Sparrow. So they had the B5 Cascade pockets for only $133, which I also get a discount because I also use other affiliate links, so I get the 10% off. But I think I actually used, for this one I did use 10% off, but for this I used my 15% off. But I just want to show you what the raspberry look like. So what I do is when Chic Sparrow sells new leathers, usually they have all of the covers, the B5 covers, which is the composition size, for all the same price. So when I see it for that, I hop on it because I know it's going to go up. So I got this for $133 with 10% off, $133 with 10% off. But now these are going for $189, I think. So if you ever see a release, go check out the B5 size if you're interested in the composition size, if you want to try that size, or if you want a unique color. My plans, the reason why I get like funky colors, or I should say funky colors, like colors like this, is because I want to use it for a junk journal. So in this size, I only have 2. I have a May, which is a blue, which I've showed before, and now I have this raspberry. So it's just fun having like a fun color for the composition size. So I wanted to share what that raspberry looks like. And that is natural light. Hopefully you see that okay. It does have some pebbling there. It does have the Chic Sparrow. Oh, it does not have the emblem there on the spine. It's here. So that one. And then for February, I'll show you what I used. So I used my Foxy Fix. I believe this is the chili color. I have not used this for years, and I haven't used it in years. 4 years. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. So it's gorgeous. Yeah, so that is chili. And I kind of went with like the red theme in February, even though February I really didn't use my Chic Sparrow at all, because if you looked at a previous video, I actually went on a cruise. Here is the Travelers Love and Trip. My husband pretty much got me this one when we went to one of the stationery stores in Florida. So right now it houses my common planner, which I have not really been into, but I will do an update video soon. But I just want to show some of the covers that I've somewhat used in February and what I'm somewhat using in May. I believe this is called undyed leather. I've had this for years. This one I will never destash because they no longer do these. It's called embossing, right? This is one that will forever stay in my stash. It's an A5. I can't remember what year I purchased this, but I only have 2 of these. I have this one, and then I have a small one, a passport one, and it is a classic. And this holds my A5 Hobonichi 2026. And I really like this cover. And then last but not least, what's housing my B6 is my rosewood. It's that pretty red. I purchased this, I think 2 years ago from the Buy Sell Trade. This was their, what is it called? Their, they came out with a red, this red. They came out with like a kind of green like this. They came out with a, oh man, I'm sorry. I have so many leathers. I should have looked it up before, but it was like a limited run. And I wasn't able to get it at the time that they were selling it. So I saw it on Buy Sell Trade, like I said, a couple of years ago. But it is a beautiful, like unique looking. It's almost like a pink red. But to me, the leather almost feels comparable to like a Outlander leather. But yeah, so I used that for February and going into March. But that is what I am currently using. But I know you're here for the Chic Sparrow unboxing packaging. Once again, they were also running a special because Jennifer's daughter left off to do some missionary work. So she did a like 1 week special where she was gifting Chic Sparrow. Let me put that away. So if you spend a certain amount, you get a free gift. So it looks like possibly I got an A5 size. So let's not open this up yet because this is the free gift. I'm going to share what I did get because I did get something extra as well because I was curious about the leather. So let's see what this antiquing looks like. I am so curious because I did not want antique, but let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay. Wow, okay. How do I feel about it? I don't know. It's very cool, though. I actually like it. I like it because it's different. Wow, that's cool. Okay, I'm glad I got this. Like I said, it was a total accident that I got the antique. So I guess this could be more of my, like, if I don't want to have like anything, like if I want something more settled, if I want something more fun, then this will be my Emma. It feels so nice though. So regardless, yeah. Wow, that is cool though. Even though it was a happy accident, I guess we'll say. So I've never had the antique, so we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's different for me, but I kind of like it. It probably would grow on me. So yes, I am crazy. I accidentally did not put no for antique. And I looked at my tracking and I was like, antique? What? So that is cool. This could be like for art journaling and stuff anyway. So this is fun. It's fun. It's new. It's something different for me. So I'm actually glad I got it. So happy accident. Next, you're probably wondering, wait, you got another Chic Sparrow? I did. I was curious about the sunrise color. So this was only $54. So between the Passport Pocket and A6, the sunrise was only $54, and then I got the 10% off. So I also use A6, and oh, that is gorgeous. I like that. That is beautiful. And I actually don't have many, if any, maybe one. I usually have pockets, but I wanted something different. I was like, for $54, I'll take a basic folio. You can see some of the scarring a little bit, or the, not scarring, sorry, some of the, what do you call those? Oh goodness, you see the markings. I'm trying to think of, do they call them moles or something? Like from the cow? Oh, that's so pretty though. And the emblem on the side. Okay, so hopefully you got enough of seeing that, because I am so curious to see what I got for my free gift. And it looks like it's an A5, so let's dive in and see what I got. It's something soft. Something soft. It almost feels like a Giovanni. I could be wrong. It could be a retired leather. I don't know. Let's see. So the wrapping is, let's see. Ooh, is this Orient? I think, is it Orient? The red? So I never got one of these. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. So let's compare it to my redwood. It almost looks kind of the same color. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, it is very close to the same color. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I don't have any, only leather I have like this is the, oh, it's the blue one. I keep forgetting the name of it, but I believe this is Orient. I believe that red. Oh, this is pretty. And that's how you know it's like, not the newer one, because it has the older, not oldest. Wait a minute. Yeah. This is when they changed their, I don't know, they've changed their emblem several times. So let's see, is it a 2020? No, it's not, because the 2020, I believe, has the older Chic Sparrow emblem. But that is so pretty. It is so soft. Okay, let's just try it. I'm just gonna move in with, so look at that. I guess it will be all red right now. Let's see, because it's funny how this is the only book I have that doesn't have red. Oh, let's see. Oh, that actually, oh boy. That is beautiful. You know, and it's so funny because I was in some ways kind of regretting not getting the Orient, some more of these at the time. Oh, that is pretty. See, and I like the soft. It's so soft. Okay, I'm super happy. Thank you, Chic Sparrow, for the free gift. That is gorgeous. Wow. Sorry, you guys, I'm not giving this one up. This one's gonna have to stay. This is, because let's see, I'm trying to think. I don't think I have any A5 folios. I'll have to look. I think this is my only A5 folio, actually. Everything else, they're Cascade, they're TNs. Super happy, super happy. It's beautiful. So I may have to make up March, and I think we're just gonna have the red theme going here for March. I know it's kind of odd. I'll get into spring colors for April. I know it still feels like Valentine's, but we're just gonna roll with it. So thank you so much for watching, and here's the sunset once again, and here is the Emma that is antique that I did not expect to get antique, but I like it, and I am going to keep it because I like the way this leather feels. It is one of the softer Austins. There's some that are very stiff, which I'm okay with, but this one actually feels almost like equivalent. Yeah, well, no, it feels different. Never mind. Nope. The softness, I feel like, is the same. See? But you can kind of hear hear the leather. But that's pretty. So thanks so much for taking the time to look at my Chic Sparrow unboxing. I don't have any plans to get any more Chic Sparrows because I know next year I'm probably gonna have to do another Destashed. We'll see. But what I'm gonna start doing I'm just gonna feature different Chic Sparrows each month, and that would be fun just to do. Because I know a lot of people like the Chic Sparrow videos, and I'm really trying I'm trying to break in the ones that I have. So that is my goal of what I want to do. So thanks so much for stopping by and watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.